Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to start OBS in safe mode, a helpful way to troubleshoot issues caused by plugins or settings. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open OBS Studio by clicking the OBS shortcut on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. This launches the program so you can access its built-in options. Step 2. Click on Help. At the top of the OBS window, this menu contains troubleshooting tools and useful information about the software. It is located on the top menu bar alongside other options like File and Edit. Step 3. Click Restart OBS in safe mode from the drop-down menu. This will close OBS and reopen it without loading third-party plugins or custom settings. Safe mode helps you identify crashes, errors, or performance problems caused by add-ons. Once restarted, you can test OBS to see if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.